Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I made over our kitchen all by myself. If you want to see how I did that, then please keep on watching. So this is our kitchen. As you can see, it is outdoors and is very small and extremely cluttered. I don't know how it got to this point, but one thing's for sure, we do not need everything that is in here. Now, I did donate a lot of these unused items while some were thrown away. The other items that I still needed but doesn't necessarily get used on a day-to-day basis, I did keep and store in our pantry for safekeeping and for future use. I started off by clearing out and taking out these cabinets and shelves because not only were they a massive eyesore, they also took up so much space on this already tiny kitchen. Honestly, this took me a while to do because there were so many things inside these drawers and they were so heavy that I had to take them out one by one. Also, these were made from a cork material and were in pretty bad condition, so I decided to just toss these in the garbage pile. As you can see, there is a room divider behind these cabinets, and this is what I will be using as my new open storage. And here is what that area looks like after taking out those shelves. Super nasty. Now moving on to the cleaning portion, I simply gave the walls, counters, and floors a good scrubbing. I used the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner bleach and a handheld hard brush for this, and it worked pretty well in my opinion. However, there were stains in the tiles and grout that were just impossible to get rid of, but that did not worry me since I had plans to cover that all up with paint. For this project, I decided to just paint everything white for that clean and crisp look. I also decided on white just to brighten up the area and create an illusion of a bigger space. I used a Boyson permacoat paint and a flat finish for this. It did work well and I love how it looked like on the walls. However, using this finish for the tiles was a mistake since it's quite difficult to clean the counters because of its now matte finish. And since this is an outdoor kitchen, it does get dusty very easily. And aside from that, we also have cats that like leaving little paw prints on the counters every single morning. So I am planning to repaint the counters with a glossy finish soon, but aside from that little mishap, I have no complaints at all. I love how this color freshened and brightened up the whole space. Moving on to some DIYs, I bought these wooden dowels from SHOPEE and cut them to size with my handsaw and miter box before proceeding to staining them. I used Boyson's oil-based wood stain in the shade Walnut for this. I also got these wood planks and wooden trays from SHOPEE. Everything will be linked in the description box below should you want to purchase any of these items for yourself. Now on to the exciting and the most drastic part of this makeover, the backsplash. I decided on a peel and stick tile since this is only a rental and I do not need anything permanent and excessively expensive for the space. I chose this Moroccan tile design in a blue color scheme. This is also available in a brown color scheme and in pure white. Again, I'll have this linked in the below should you want to purchase it for yourself. This is actually quite self-explanatory and very easy. All you have to do is peel off the sticker backing and line up the tiles as perfectly as you could. As for the excess, just slice it off with a box cutter or an X-Acto knife. Moving on to the final touches. I decided to go for black metals and wood elements for this space. I also had custom bottles and spice jars made just to add a personal touch. As you can probably notice, I decided to skip the extra decor and instead stick with the essentials just to keep this whole area looking neat and tidy. And yes, even these bottles and jars are from Shopee. Every single item that I purchased for this makeover will be linked in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. I actually bought these jars separately and just had these custom labels made. As for the bottles, you can either buy them plain or have them customized by messaging the seller and indicating what you want written on them along with your font color, and cap color of choice. And that is it for this kitchen makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. All of my social media handles as well as all the items I purchased for this makeover are listed down below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all on my next video.